Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful flowered earring design. For making this I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, earring hook, white bead and jump ring, fabric glue, scissor, plier and 0.9 mm crochet hook. Let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet ring, two single crochet ring, third single crochet ring, fourth single crochet ring, fifth and sixth. So total sixth single crochet in magic ring. Now I will pull the thread and now I will connect in first stitch. Now I will connect it by another color. Now one chain in same stitch, one single crochet, in next stitch, two single crochet, in next stitch, two single crochet. So I will work two single crochet in each stitch and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch, but at the time of connection I will take my another color and slip stitch. Now one chain in next stitch, one single crochet. Now we'll cut my last color. In next stitch, one, and in same stitch one more single crochet. So two single crochet in one stitch. In next stitch, one single crochet, in next stitch, two single crochet. So I will follow same pattern, one single crochet and in next stitch two single crochet all around this ring and complete. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch, but I will connect by another color. Now one chain in next stitch, one single crochet, in next stitch one single crochet, in next stitch two single crochet, one and second single crochet in same stitch like this. Now I will cut my last color. So in next stitch one single crochet, in next stitch one single crochet, in next stitch two single crochet. So I will follow same pattern and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch by a slip stitch. Like this. Now skip next stitch. In next stitch I will make a double crochet, one double crochet, in same stitch second double crochet, in same stitch third double crochet, in same stitch fourth double crochet, in same stitch fifth double crochet. So total 5 double crochet in same stitch. In next stitch I will skip, in next stitch I will make a slip stitch, again next stitch I will skip, in next stitch I will make a 5 double crochet. So first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet, and fifth double crochet. So total 5 double crochet in one stitch. Now skip next stitch, in next stitch slip stitch. So I will follow same pattern all around and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now I will connect at the starting point by slip stitch. Now I will cut in thread. Here is our design. Now I will fix this extra thread with the help of glue. Here it is. Now I will add white bead in center of our flower. Here it is. Now I will add jump ring. Now earring hook. Here is our beautiful earring. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.